Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susie. If you're seeing me for the first time, then welcome, and if you're an old supporter, thank you for stopping by once again. I post fashion, beauty content. I'm a bit of a sneakerhead, so I love me some sneakers. If I should choose between sneakers and heels, of course there are shoes for every occasion, but I'm loving sneakers, and I've got this thing for retro ones, which is a little bit hard to come by here in Norway. We always get the meat. So today I'm gonna unbox this sneaker for you all, and this is a retro one mid, and it comes in this white box with a foil jump man, as you can see it right here. And behind the box it has this Nike swoosh and blah blah blah, which I think it's really cute. So when you open the box, you have this generic wrap here with the 23 printed all over the paper. And when you open the box, and boom, okay, it comes with an extra shoelace. Let me get the other one that doesn't have this lace, so it's gonna be easier for me to talk about the shoes. So this is the shoes. It's a multicolored retro one, and I don't know what it is, but I'm a collector. I'm a bit of a collector. It's a little bit difficult to collect here in Norway because all the releases, we don't get them here. So this one I think is super cute. It comes with the it's like a pattern leather right here. This comes a little bit pinkish on camera, but it's red patterned leather here, the black pattern leather. The swoosh has a generic leather and a red pattern leather right here. And this, it has like a pine green color right here, which is a generic leather. And the royal blue is a generic leather. I just think these shoes are super cute, super cute. And it comes with so we got the tongue of the shoes, which is in a nylon type fabric, and it has the Nike, it has the Jumpman Air, and it's like a lilac type of color, and the shatter backboard color blocking at the toe of the shoe is just amazing. To me, the pattern leather really does it for me. And I'm gonna review another shoes quite similar to this one. It's the retro one, but the lows. It's really similar to this. I don't think if you have this you need the other one, but I'm gonna review that one, so you're gonna see me with the same sweater, because I'm gonna do two videos, and at the end of the video I'm gonna show you side by side, so you kind of have a feel if you really need them both or not. To me, this is a very versatile shoe. This is something you can wear with all the colors in here. You can wear this with green, with blue, with red, with the orange, with white, and it just gives me that 90 type of vibe. You know, the 90s, there was so much color blocking going on. And mine is in a size 41, and here in Norway I got mine for 1,300, which is like 130 USD. Everything here in Norway is expensive, but let me show you the spare laces. These are really nice. I don't think I'll be wearing these shoes with these laces. Maybe I'm just gonna use this on other shoes. But all in all, I think this is a really solid pair to own. And if you're a collector like me, then you just want to have everything, but it's absolutely not necessary. But I'm so in love with the retro ones, and I just cannot, when I see them, I just want to buy them. And here in Norway, like I said, it's very hard to see them. When you see them online, it's gone within a couple of days. So I feel actually very lucky to own this pair, and this I'm gonna rock for so many years. I'm going to put them on and you can see how they look on my feet. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'm on the road to 2K, so please help me make that happen. And when I get to 2K, I'm gonna do a giveaway for you guys supporting me, because I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.
Yo. Sorry. Turn it up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Yeah. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. When she goes dirty like a pig, all them man them watch her like a clip. Girl on fire, I swear, see you late. EDK, ever trade a money keep. Yeah. Girl, you not like him, ooh-oohs. Touch your head, shoulders, knees and toes. EDK, LM, toutes les bonnes choses. So